Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And at the back side of your charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side we see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Also, we can use your phone to charge these earbuds, and we have two options. The first one is to use it with a cable, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one at the back side of your charging case. And again we see the LED light. The second option how to use your phone to charge your earbuds is to use reverse wireless charging, but your phone should support this technology. And you can just go to the settings and you need to enable it, of course. After that you just put your earbuds at the back side of your phone and we see the LED light, so it also works. The last option is to use wireless charging, but you need to also connect your wireless charging to the power, and just give me a second. So we just put it at the wireless charging station and we see the LED light. But also you can use USB-A to USB-C cable, so it looks like this, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. Connect USB-C cable to your earbuds, and now USB-A cable to... I'm going to connect it with my PC, but you can connect it with another USB-A device. And now we need again check the LED light. And we have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.